Hey y'all, this is Bug, and this is It's a Bug's Life. Today we're going to switch out our headlights. Last week when we went on our adventure, our headlights were so bad, we had to use our Vision X, little front light here. It's super bright, super great, but it wasn't great for oncoming traffic. So we have gone and purchased some LED lights, and yes, they are the reasonably priced, I'd say $80 Amazon LEDs. They're not the fancy $400, $500 LED lights, we know, but we're going to give these ones a try. So we're going to install them today, so come along. And the tools we'll need today was a small Phillips head screwdriver. And if you want to change the adjustment of your headlight, you will need a Torx bit T15. First, we're going to remove the headlight cover by using the Phillips head. Nice. Lost Trails bumper car. Thank you. There we go. Next we'll remove the bezel.
You want a hand over there?
I'm okay. Bug stuff this. For now. Now we'll pull the headlight out. There we are. I don't know. And here is our $80 Amazon headlight. DOT on top.
DOT on top.
And let's install it.
And let's install. Okay. Let me know if you need a hand. Bug. Okay.
All right. She's in. Snug with the bezel.
Snug as a bug?
Snug as a bug.
Because the bug's doing it. Oh, no, bug. Use a different one.
Got it.
You got it? Okay.
I got it.
You're going to have some headlights finally. Not have to use your
My
Vision X to blind people. Well, you're actually pretty good about turning it off, but that was... There's the bug. Got its tongue out thinking.
Always helps me think.
It does.
Helps the screw go in.
The tongue helps it go in?
Yeah.
That's always true.
More ways than one.
Yeah. All right.
We only have...
So pick whichever hole you like.
The one closest to me. The easier one.
I guess it just depends what angle you're at.
Got a mood on me. Oh yeah.
In? Tight?
And let's double check. Snug. Oh wow. Good thing I had that. Alright. Doing good. And then the headlight casing.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it. Easy peasy.
She hook in the bottom? Yeah. There you go. She hooks on both sides.
Hook on the bottom. Snap.
That's it. That's it.
Perfect. 2 last screws. I can't wait to see
Right.
what these look like when we go out
Yeah.
on our adventure today.
Yeah, for sure.
Hold on. All right, few last. And she's tight. And she's in. All right. Let's give it a shot, see how bright she is. Hey guys, just got back from the trails and the headlights work great. I'm really impressed with them and I'm going to feel safer on the roads. So if you have any suggestions and comments, leave them below. Otherwise, please subscribe and we'll see you next time.